Hey beauties, let's get into the Morphe Lightroom Extended Hydration Foundation in the shade Tan 22W with an olive undertone. Now Morphe said all you need is one pump, and they did not lie. I applied it to just half my face, and you can't even tell that I'm wearing foundation, y'all. It's literally that seamless. This is literally skin in a bottle, and it's perfect for us oily skin girls. It glides on effortlessly, giving buildable full coverage with a weightless feel and flawless skin-like finish. Thanks to its 12-hour hydration technology, it keeps you fresh, shine-free, and sweat-resistant all day. Packed with skin-loving ingredients and available in 36 shades, there's a match for everyone. Now don't wait, go get yours right now. It's 20% off if you use the link in my bio. Stop playing and go treat yourself to some new foundation, girl. Come on. Literally, it's amazing. Also, look at this look. It's giving. Now, I did go from day to night, so if you're interested, keep on watching to see how I transform from this nice day glam to this beautiful nighttime look for going out. So I did not remove any makeup. Literally, we're just going to work on the eyes and the lips. I'm going into the Morphe Artistry palette, which I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was kind of like bummed out when I went on the site and saw that it's not even up there. They need to bring back this one. I feel like this should be like their staple eyeshadow palette. When I went on their website, they have every other palette but this one. They even have like a Valentine's Day one that I got, but this one needs to come back. I feel like every artist should have it. But I'm gonna go in with this beautiful brown transition shade. It's more of like a nutmeg color, so I'm going into my crease with that. We are not gonna do a uniform cut crease in this look. We're just gonna keep it nice, soft, and simple because I feel like you can wear this look like on a night out to the bar, or if you're just hanging out with your girls, if you're going out with your man. That's pretty much what this look is going to give. So I'm also going out for nice like flared out cat eye type of look. So I'm going to take whatever is left over after blending out that brown shade on the outer corners of my eye and start creating like that winged effect. And then also with this look, I feel like it's a very simple look to achieve. You can honestly do this with any colors. If you're one of those people that want to learn how to do eyeshadow, as long as you can make the colors look complementary, the look will always come out fire. So if you're interested in learning how to do eyeshadow but easily without it being so uniform with the cut creases and stuff, I would definitely use this as a guide to do your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into my crease with a nice deep dark plum brown shade. This is just to add definition into my crease because we want this to look like a nighttime look. A lot of the nighttime looks consist of like the deeper darker hues. I feel like if you're in the daytime, you want to stay true to like lighter colors, lighter shimmers. Like you don't want to go too dark. Now unless that's the look you're going for the daytime, then that means for your nighttime look, if you're trying to transition over, you can either keep that same look on or you would have to go darker. But I recommend doing it this way. It just makes it easier. It really makes it better to distinguish when you do it this way. So now on the lid, because I was kind of feeling like that neutral balm, like just nude look on the lid, I'm going to take my flathead brush and I'm going to go into that warm beige color that you saw me tap into, and I'm just going to basically set where I had concealer left over on the lid just to add some contrast, a lighter contrast to this look. Now because I wanted to do a liner without doing an actual liner, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow and a small angled brush, and I'm going to literally cheat and use the angled brush as a guide to do my black liner. And I felt like this was so cute. It also gave into like this soft glam, but definitely gave a fierce glam for the look. So if you're like ever wanting to do a liner without using liquid, try the eyeshadow because it's way more control. You know, liquid sometimes could be a bit messy. This one right here was super duper easy. But then I'm gonna smoke it out across the top of my lash line before I put on my lashes to also give my lashes that full appearance before I put on mascara, which is kind of not really before I put on mascara because I had actually already had on mascara. So this is really just to give it even more like sultry dark look for this night out glam. Now just to put on my waterline, I'm going to go in with the same brown, the first brown that I used as my transition, and then I'm going to go into the black just to smoke out my lower waterline, lower lash line, because like I said, this is a sultry look. We need to make everything look in unison. Everything needs to look cohesive. So that's why we're bringing the same colors down. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start prepping my eyes with my lash glue. One trick that I like to do is I like to just go ahead and put the glue on my lash line, so when I go to place my lash, it goes exactly where I need to, rather than putting the glue on the lashes itself and then you stick the lash on your eye, and then like it's in the middle of your lid or it's floating above your lash line, you can see a huge gap. So I definitely recommend that if you're going to put on lashes, put the glue on your lash line itself as close as possible, and then put your lashes on. Now for my lips, I'm actually going in with a brown gel liner to line my lips because I want something really dark to kind of like go hand in hand with my crease, like the darkness in my crease, I should say. And then I'm going to smoke that out with a brush too, because I didn't want that line to be too harsh. We weren't going for 90s lip liner, which, don't get me wrong, is still fire. We just weren't going for it for this look. And then once I blended that out, my lash glue had finally finished drying, so now we are going to go ahead and stick these lashes on. And I like to use tweezers just because it's easier. If you've seen me use my hands before, that's probably because I couldn't find my tweezers, but I definitely recommend if you're a first time or you're a beginner trying to put your lashes on, definitely use some tweezers. It really helps for pulling the inner corner and the outer corner where you need to put it, so that way your eyes aren't uncomfortable, because you'll have like this stabbing or sharp pain on your inner corner of your eye, and you'll also get on the outer corner if your lashes are too long or if they are not on right. So for one, always trim your lashes too. That's another thing. I could do another lash tutorial if you guys would like to see how I actually put on my lashes. But once I have those on, I'm going to go back to my lips, and then I'm going to go into a brown lip liner by Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to kind of like mesh that together with the dark brown gel liner on my lip to start to create this nice ombre lip look, which honestly I was so obsessed with the lip afterwards. Then I'm going to go into the MAC Cosmetics Creme de la Nude Lippy, and I'm going to blot that across my lip. This is a really pretty like pink nude that if you like really want like a subtle, not really don't have nothing on my lips type of look, I would definitely go for this lipstick. And then because I wanted the center of my lips a little bit lighter, I went into my Timeless Beauty lipstick, and that one's really like it's like a Barbie pink, like a Barbie ice pink. And I went ahead and I popped that in the middle of my lips. And I am going to glide it on a little bit because I really wanted that pigment to stand out. And then I'm going to go into the ColourPop Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. I believe this one I used was called It's a Date. I think the color is so pretty. The only thing about it is it is so hard to get out of the bottle. Like, the applicator is huge. You see all that gloss that just came out? That's because the applicator is so huge, but the hole that it's supposed to come out of is small. So you really have to pull, and you're probably going to get it everywhere. But I really love this lip gloss. It does not burn. It does not tingle. It just has that nice peppermint smell and feel to it. So it's very cooling. I really love this lip oil. And then I felt like this color was very perfect for that brown look that we were going for too. But that is pretty much it for this look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I do go live almost every day, and I love talking to you guys. So make sure I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any requests, let me know. But I will see you next time. Bye.